Okay, I see you saying the number, color, and animal while marking the symbols. What do you see yourself doing?
I see myself doing number, color, and animal while marking the symbols.
Okay, you may begin.
So, 4 blue turtles, 3 green fish, 5 yellow green snakes, and then just
I see you putting the symbols on the animals on the blank grid.
the circle on the bear is the third one in the first row.
X on fish. I see myself putting a triangle around cat.
Check.
Unicorn.
Check on that one. You were right with penguin. What comes out?
A nest under the bird. I see myself putting
Excellent.
a nest under the bird. I see myself putting a unicorn on the horse.
Okay.
I see myself putting claws on the tiger.
Claws on the tiger,
Yes.
web around the spider,
Good.
Claws on the tiger is the first box in the third row.
web around the spider,
Good. Yes, Weber on the spider.
unicorn horn on the horse.
Check. There's one more before that. You're doing great.
Oh yeah, claws on the tiger.
Yep.
Blue. Right. Green.
Left. Turtle. 3.
One blue up elephant. 3 green
Turtle. 1 black up.
I see you saying number, color, +1 while marking all the symbols.
4 red.
So number,
3
color,
yellow.
good, and +1.
2
Let's see if you can follow those steps without me saying.
2 black. 4
Spider on spider. Horse on horse.
Mm-hmm.
Bear on bear.
Mm-hmm.
Spider on spider. Turtle on turtle. Fish on fish.
We are on number hunt 1 through 5, and I see you alternating between number, color, animal, president, vowel name, then vowel sound. What do you see yourself doing?
I see myself putting the symbol for number, putting a color cube for color, putting the president's initials, and then putting the vowel, and then saying the vowel sound.
Perfect. You may begin.
2 green James Monroe. O. Aw. 3 red James Madison. A. 4 red John Adams.
Okay, good job.